go, All the Time I Have.
Okay.
This next song is an original called All the Time I Have. It's right here on my CD, track number 1. A song written for anybody that you love. It could be anybody. It brings you comfort and happiness when you need it the most. Thank you very much. That one's available on the CD here.